Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how I made this cornbread. Easy to make, real easy. Just follow along with me, just a few ingredients.
You're going to want 2 cups of cornmeal, and yes, you're going to want to sift it. 1.5 cups of milk, so 1.5 cups. You want 2 eggs and unbeaten. You don't want to beat them till yet. Tablespoons of any kind of oil you want to use. About to process it, you want to put it in your pan. I use a 8x8 pans, like a brownie pan, or whatever you want to call it. Then we'll pop it in the oven for 350 for about 12 minutes, or until it's golden brown on top.
Cornbread, and it is delicious, good for putting on beans, chili, or anything of that matter, or eating plain with just butter. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you get more videos like this. Anyways, thank you for watching. Y'all have a wonderful way.